There are several ways to make money on TikTok. Creator Fund. TikTok has a creator fund that pays eligible creators for their content. To be eligible, you need to have at least 100,000 followers, be 18 years or older, and meet certain other requirements. Brand deals. You can also make money through brand deals. This involves partnering with brands and promoting their products or services on your TikTok account. To get brand deals, you need to have a large following and engage with your audience regularly. Merchandise sales. If you have a loyal following, you can sell merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases with your branding or logo. Live streaming. TikTok allows users to go live and receive gifts from their viewers. You can convert these gifts into real money. Affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services and earn a commission on any sales